today's topic is about employee engagement. Before getting into the topic, according to this survey, engaged employees have 18% of higher productivity and 60% of higher quality work than those who are not engaged. So employee engagement plays a major role in the organization. So HR function is essential in defining and planning an employee engagement strategy that aligns with your organization goals. So coming to the definition, employee engagement is the level of commitment and involvement an employee has towards their organization and its values. How organization makes employee to involve in employee engagement activities. I had put some of the ideas below. Involve employees in your business planning process, that is, every 6 months or even quarterly, present the most important issues in your company and the actions made to address those issues. Try to involve your team in planning ahead. The next is create knowledge sharing system. One of the biggest costs of high employee turnover rate is the loss of essential information. So implement a mentorship program pairing experienced employees with a newly hired one. Create a learning program template that they should follow, giving them enough space to test their own learning methods. The third is encourage knowledge sharing in creative way. Once every 2 months, every team can present and update their projects and key learning points. The fourth is show them the money. Give your team a quick presentation of the financial state of your company every quarter or at the end of the year. Show them how everyone's efforts are linked together. Set bold objectives for the next month and get everyone involved in meeting those objectives. Encourage and provide learning opportunities. That is, create your own academy where employees can access the knowledge and development opportunities that they need. The last one is create your own internal magazine. And say to it, these magazines should issue before 10th day of every month, and this magazine should contain all customer informations, then awards of the month, event of the month, birthday wishes. These are the things needed to motivate the employees. We have listed some of the employee engagement activities. You can take your employees to picnic and movie at interval of 2 months. A daily column written by CEO on the intranet with a company announcement or programs. This would really create the belongingness of employees in the organizations. Employee suggestion system or quick response to know about their queries. CEO spending time face-to-face communication with staff. Monthly and annually staff awards in order to motivate employees. Problem solving committee to avoid disputes. Quality assurance committee. Quality plays a vital role in the business, so it is necessary to have quality assurance committee. Conducting soft skill training programs as well as required training programs. Training should be mandatory in the organization and it should be linked with performance appraisal system. Online real-time tracking of progress. Employees can view company progress towards target and goals. Providing long-term strategic vision for business growth. Indoor games as well as outdoor games for leisure time. Then celebration of employee birthday. You can even conduct a communication meeting at the end of every month in order to show the progress of the company.